Hello guys, welcome once again to How to Wisdom. Before we go into our topic, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you are hinted about our next video. Today we're talking about patience and impatience. One thing you must know that in business, impatient people are attracted to money while money is attracted to patient people. When you are in business, you must not be all about the short term. You must be about a long term. So you must plan a long term goal, a long term game. So in trying to do business with people, you must learn to be patient. Patient people are the people that end up getting the job. They are the ones that end up getting the customer. They are the ones that end up getting the trust of people. So in business, you need to be patient, and it's a virtue you can't throw away. Learn to be very patient and you'll get the best in business.